In a world where time is money, an undeniable shift is occurring. Some individuals tirelessly clock in 10 hours a day, chasing paycheck after paycheck, while others have discovered a new realm of financial freedom powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't a futuristic dream, it's the immediate reality. The innovation muscle of companies like Tesla and Nvidia, coupled with groundbreaking platforms from OpenAI, has set the stage for an economic transformation that rewards those who embrace technology. As we step into 2025, the narrative is crystallizing. The AI revolution has officially begun. What was once dismissed as mere buzz has morphed into a powerful force reshaping entire industries. From healthcare to finance, retail to entertainment, AI's capabilities are far-reaching. Companies are adapting, evolving, and generating unprecedented levels of efficiency, releasing enormous potential previously confined within stagnant processes. Consider the staggering statistics. The AI market is projected to soar to monumental heights, with thousands of innovative startups emerging, capturing the interest of venture capitalists eager to invest in the future. In a race to harness AI's prowess, investment figures are skyrocketing, illustrating the confidence stakeholders have in this revolutionary technology. With giants like OpenAI leading the forefront of innovation, the landscape brims with opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors alike. But how does this revolution translate to building wealth? The selective few who are leveraging AI tools now have the potential to earn money around the clock. As algorithms optimize and automate traditional job functions, these visionaries are not just participants in the market, they are turning into millionaires. By employing AI to manage tasks, analyze data, and predict trends, they can redirect their efforts from mundane labor to strategic growth. Demystifying this AI money machine reveals a movement that values creativity and innovation over mere hours logged in a cubicle. As you explore the breadth of AI's impact, remember this: the future is not just ahead, it's unfolding at this very instant. The path to prosperity is no longer confined to relentless hours of work. Instead, it lies in the savvy utilization of AI, allowing informed decision-making and continuous revenue generation. So, are you ready to join this revolution and ride the wave of financial evolution? The time to act is now. The landscape of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, attracting substantial financial backing and generating millionaire founders. The surge in AI startups has captured the attention of early investors who recognize the potential for exponential returns. These backers are not just filling the coffers of technology giants. They are becoming millionaires themselves by supporting innovative ventures that harness the power of AI to solve real-world problems. This wave of equity investments is reminiscent of the tech boom, as clever entrepreneurs leverage cutting-edge technology to create solutions that appeal to a global market. The AI stock boom has also taken center stage as companies like Nvidia, Palantir, and Microsoft witness meteoric rises in their stock prices. With the growing demand for AI-driven products and services, these tech giants have expanded their portfolios with groundbreaking innovations that resonate across industries. Nvidia, known for its powerful graphics processing units, has become a pivotal player, while Microsoft's investments in AI tools position it as a leader in the software space. As interest in AI continues to skyrocket, stock valuations reflect a burgeoning belief in a future dominated by intelligent systems, translating into wealth for savvy investors and company stakeholders alike. In addition to investment opportunities, AI automation businesses are flourishing. From content automation tools that streamline creative processes to trading bots designed to optimize financial decisions, entrepreneurs are embracing AI to enhance efficiency and productivity. SaaS tools powered by AI facilitate seamless business operations for countless enterprises, providing advanced analytics and insights. Everyday people are reaping the rewards as freelancers utilize AI platforms like ChatGPT and Midjourney, generating income through content creation and automation services. YouTube creators are capitalizing on AI for content generation, allowing them to expand their reach and profit through engaging media. Furthermore, entrepreneurs are harnessing AI tools to scale digital products and side hustles, turning innovative ideas into profitable ventures. As AI technology continues to evolve, it transforms not only businesses, but also the economic landscape for everyday individuals. The democratization of AI tools empowers freelancers and entrepreneurs to tap into new income streams and increase their overall earning potential. With the right knowledge and resources, anyone can leverage AI to enhance their skills, boost productivity, and secure their financial future in this technologically driven age. The flow of AI money is reshaping the economic terrain, making it imperative for individuals to stay informed and seize opportunities as they arise. In recent years, the role of AI in real estate has gained significant momentum, offering innovative tools that help investors analyze rental properties with remarkable precision. These AI-driven applications can quickly assess key metrics such as rental yields, occupancy rates, and local market trends, allowing investors to make informed decisions. By harnessing big data, these tools can present a detailed analysis, highlighting the best investment opportunities while saving time and minimizing the guesswork traditionally associated with property analysis. Moreover, AI plays a transformative role in automating Airbnb management. AI tools can intelligently adjust pricing based on market demand, local events, and seasonality, maximizing hosts' revenue potential. These technologies facilitate automatic bookings, ensuring a seamless experience for both hosts and guests. With AI's ability to analyze past booking patterns and customer preferences, hosts can tailor their offerings, resulting in enhanced customer satisfaction and improved occupancy rates, allowing for a more profitable rental business. In addition to real estate, the AI revolution extends to side hustles. Entrepreneurs can leverage AI to create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or design assets with greater efficiency. Since AI-powered tools can analyze consumer preferences and trends, they can help creators identify niche markets and tailor their products accordingly. Furthermore, AI can manage client interactions, streamlining communication and ensuring prompt follow-ups, thereby improving overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. However, venturing into AI-driven real estate and side hustles is not without its risks. While AI tools provide valuable insights, market volatility can still pose threats. Investors must be vigilant against potential scams that can exploit unsuspecting individuals. Trustworthy platforms should be chosen diligently, as the reliability of data sources directly impacts decision-making. It's fundamental for investors and entrepreneurs alike to approach AI solutions with a critical eye. Managing expectations is crucial, as building passive income through AI requires time and consistency. Quick profits are often enticing, yet actual success involves strategic planning and a dedication to understanding the nuances of the market. By appreciating the learning curve that comes with utilizing AI tools effectively, individuals can develop a sustainable revenue stream. The world of finance is being transformed by artificial intelligence, with unprecedented opportunities waiting to be tapped into. Understanding how AI tools function is the first step in this journey. These tools are designed to analyze vast amounts of data swiftly and accurately, enabling smarter investment decisions, optimized automation processes, and impactful content creation. As you explore this landscape, immerse yourself in online courses or tutorials that demystify AI applications to gain a comprehensive understanding that can empower your financial strategy. After gaining foundational knowledge, it's time to pinpoint a specific income stream where you can apply AI effectively. This could range from leveraging automated trading systems in investing to using AI-driven software for content generation. Consider your strengths and interests as you sift through these options. Remember, the key is to focus on one area initially, allowing you to develop expertise and see results without feeling overwhelmed by the myriad of possibilities. Commitment and focus are essential in harnessing the power of AI to create income. Consistency is your ally in this venture. Create a schedule for utilizing AI tools daily or weekly, keeping your workflow efficient while maximizing output. Monitor results, track your progress, and don't forget to reinvest your profits into your business. Reinvestment helps you scale your efforts, amplifying returns and reinforcing the potential of your chosen income stream. Balancing growth with measured risks is crucial as you navigate these exciting waters. Understanding that you don't need to invent groundbreaking AI technology like ChatGPT is liberating. The goal is not to be a creator, but to be an adept user of existing tools. Learn how they can optimize your processes and boost your earnings. Together, with this strategic approach, you can establish a solid financial future powered by AI's capabilities. Ready to ride the wave of AI wealth? As the landscape continues to evolve, it becomes increasingly vital to stay updated and adaptable. If you want to be part of the AI wealth wave, start now. Dive into the resources available and consider joining our community. Like and subscribe to Being Financially, where you'll uncover actionable insights on making AI work for your wallet. Embrace this journey and let technology be the catalyst for your financial transformation.